Hi, it's a lovely day, isn't it? I just finished my walk and I'll go to my home to prepare lesson 3. It will be a half double crochet. Bring your yarn and needle and let's start lesson 3 half double crochet. We finish chain, single crochet, and after that half double crochet. As we know before, we will do a 1 chain as a knot, hold here and do any chain you want. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 okay, and now lift the 2 stitches in the beginning, 1 2 chain, 1 2, and in number 3 we will work. Take the yarn, go inside, take the yarn. I have 3. You remember single crochet you have 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops. What I'll do, I'll take yarn and take all together. Remember, you know, if you want to do crochet properly, you put the yarn like that, as I told you before, and hold the yarn here. What control of the yarn is my finger. Go down and up to make this stretch or loose, or open my finger to bring the yarn up when I finish. See? Here, the second. What I'll do, this, my finger up, I take a yarn, go inside, I take a yarn, look, see my finger go down here to control the yarn. I have 3 loops. Now hold here and take the loop and all together. Practice with your finger to control the yarn. Again, go inside. You have 3 loops. Always hold here to control the stitch and not making the stitch loose, and take the yarn and all together. This is half double crochet, bigger than single crochet. And this is the finish. I finish all the stitches, half double crochet, and we can use this one in our work after that. Thank you for your watching and have a lovely day. Bye.